guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I apologize. I will make up for it. I'm back with my videos and we'll see how long this lasts. I'm really gonna try this time. Today I have for you guys is this butterfly clips hairstyle. I don't know what to call this. It's just really two plaits, two ponytails, and then the rest of my hair out. I posted a video or something with this hairstyle on Snapchat, and a lot of you guys wanted me to do this video, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. So to start off with the hairstyle, I started off with a middle part, but my hair was already parted in the middle. Then I am parting the sides around to the back of my ear, as you can see, and I'm putting these parts up, and then I'm gonna part like these triangle parts for the braids. Okay, so now I'm going in with my 360 spray bottle that I got from Sally's, if you guys were wondering. And now I'm going in to those two parts in the front with a 3-stranded braid, and then I'm going to tie it off with a rubber band. Now I'm going back in with my 360 spray bottle, and now I'm going to brush up these two sides into these ponytails, and then we are done, pretty much, kind of. So yeah, I need to stop talking. Know better. Of course, I'm going to lay my edges. I'm using this Eco Stellar gel, and I'm laying these edges down. Yes, ma'am. Somebody's gonna ask where I get my butterfly clips from. I got it from Amazon. I'll put the link in my description box, and I'm trying to find some butterfly clips to go with my t-shirt. I ended up putting in purple and green, and that's it for this hairstyle. This is how I did this hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment down below any videos you guys want me to do. My social media, of course, will be in the description box down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.